My people, how na dey? And welcome to today Ogbonge News. My name is still A.U. David, the Awamialu one of Universe. My people, today we get Ogbonge News we want to talk about. Very special and popular news we want to discuss today. But before we go inside the news, we will go to find out how the thing they happen, how they share. I beg, if you never subscribe, and the time to subscribe now be this one. Just put your hand for the red button. Then you make sure say you on the notification bell, so that anytime we upload our video, you will be one of the first person to see the video. So that is the reason why you must subscribe, so that you will not go miss anything when we do. So for you when you don't first subscribe, God bless you. Now make we go check how the matter dey be. My people, this one when we want discuss, now discuss me and you want discuss am. Now the thing when they happen for our Bodo Nigeria. Because we don't discover say if you greet anybody when they say they this government, Buhari, say Baba government, if you greet them, either they call them hate speech or fake news. Anything when you do at all, when you say, because they find way where they will take silent everybody for the country. If you talk, you are in trouble. If you don't talk, you are in problem. This matter bring me con the one when it just happened so. When the bishop of Diocese of Sokoto, when the bishop Koka take talk and say, wetin dey happen for Nigeria, he no understand that the Kpukuyeke when he be say dey the country, he no understand the Kpukuyeke. So the matter when it dey happen. Now be this one, because the man suffering, it come out to not be say the man talk waiting not they happen. The man come out just remind all the things when it be say all of us know when it be say it happen. Now the man talk, but the federal government don't they accuse the man again, attack him. Now because for this place now we don't already talk and say may they protect that guy before they utilize him. Because the federal government now not taken likely with the man at all, because the man simply he talk the truth, he say what did happen. I'm not understanding. In fact, before we go further, we first check what the man talk. President Buhari deliberately sacrificed the dreams of those who voted for him to what seems like a program to stratify and institutionalize northern hegemony by reducing others in public life to second-class status. He has pursued this self-defeating and alienating policy at the expense of greater national cohesion. Every honest Nigerian knows that there is no way any non-Northern Muslim president could have done a fraction of what President Buhari has done by his nepotism and got away with it. There would have been a military coup a long time ago, or we would have been at war. Bishop Matthew Koka, the Covenant National Peace Committee. When I see the word where the man make, true, we know that the presidency has been appointing people from only the northern side of Nigeria. The head of the Nigeria Army, the Major General, is a northerner. The police, the IG of police, northerner. The custom, northerner. The port authority, northerner. Navy, northerner. In fact, all the security head, they are northerner. You come to the oil sector, the northerner. Every other thing, even just the promotion they did in the police that almost caused anarchy in Nigeria, they promoted only the northern side and let the southerners, especially the southeast, unpromoted. This almost caused a problem in Nigeria. So I don't see anything wrong with what the man has said, because the killing in the country alone is enough. Insecurity, this is enough. Because true, if another person now get that power, say now not be northern Muslim, 9-day power, by now, things for don't change in that country. In our country, things for don't change. So we will see waiting the reply when the presidency reply Kuka. We will check and we will see what they talk. Calling for a violent overthrow of a democratically elected government, no matter how discussed such a call is, and casting a particular religion as violent is not what any religion leader should engage in, and certainly not in a season of peace. Kuka and other religious leaders have a responsibility to speak truth to power, but such truth must not come wrapped in anger, hatred, disunity, and religious disharmony. Shebi una also see waiting this matter, because I don't understand them. I don't see anything hatred there or religious crisis or instigating violence that the federal government is want to kill this man for. Because as we speak now, the federal government is trying everything to make sure say they silence everybody in the country. If you talk, you are in trouble. If you don't talk, you are in trouble. Because if you don't talk, this way that they do, it will affect you. If you talk, they will come after you. Now the problem when they the country be that one. The man talk now, any small thing you talk, if you talk the truth, they will say na hate speech. Or you want to get a violent, you want to overthrow duly elected democratic government. I don't understand it. I don't understand it, because these people, even when they come out and tell you something, when you try to or ask them the following day, the thing they talk yesterday, or when everybody watch, see her on live television, waiting they talk with their mouth, they go deny them. Just like Gabashew. Gabashew, when he come and say the farmers, they don't get they don't take permission before they go farm. That is the reason why they were killed. When Channel Television interviewed this man on their television live broadcast on the 29th of December 2020, the man, he publicly denied the word when use the man talk. He said, no, don't be talking. Fake news always the day. When they talk something, people will now go and change what they talk. On video, what you talk for video, they go change them. I don't understand that. When they say something, when they say people come, they react towards the thing when they talk, they will come and tell you, say, na lie, say, na fake, na be. Now only they are old that they don't talk. Now only they are old that they touch. Now only they are waiting they talk. Now people they turn to be fake. But when another person talk, it not be fake. Now me I still tell them say maybe now the one when they cook talk na doctor in the doctor for a year. I don't understand that. I don't understand that. My people, that country, we need to save the country from collapsing. Because this government, when we get, not only insecurity be the problem, lie when they the government is too much. Now this government will say a person go hold the white paper, go hold the white too. He go tell you say na black. And if we hold the thing, they show you, you go see they tell you say na black thing na be this one. And na white, you they see a korokoro say na white. He go they tell you say na black. And understand the government. Whether they think say na lie, they will take over people, we don't understand. Now waiting will they see for the matter when they go be that one, because they want to censor everything. Even the registration when they say they can't register your number now, all not to censor the social media. Because now when you register it, waiting your own WhatsApp, because they don't register can say in January, from January to February, over 1 million WhatsApp in Nigeria will not work. Because they will make sure say they censor them, anything when you do, then go they look on, they watch on. If you say no, others now when they like to send, I just can't block a message. You know, say come block me for you understand that? Go block me for that runabout, go block me for that place. You know, say you know how much they do here. Before the girl will come, they will don't go block the girl before you call. You understand? They will go get the message, say you they send us, they come block you. Your papa feel in the house now, they'll read that, you say, I will come block you for there tomorrow. Your papa will only see your message, say you they send that. Now wait till they want to be that one. Then that time everybody will be in trouble. People, and they can't tell us, say that country, we need to save the country. If not, it go Africa. Not be Banana Republic, the country they go again, because it don't reach Banana Republic. It go soon past Banana Republic. Everything for the country, it don't dabaru. My people, as we see, and I will come say, we will come tell you now, say the matter when the country, it don't pass, be careful. My people, now so, now we see this one reach. My people, this one when we want to talk about, I want to talk about the governor of Rivers State, Wike. Because we dey see the way where this man they go, where how Wike they buy car like say in a car dealer. Because the way when this man they do things this period now, we don't they suspect and say he gets skeleton for combat when we say you know one make as they come out make people and die time make them be say they still make you go answer query how you spend money. Because if you come out for power now, the people were supposed to ask them now they use sister they use the state government money till they blind. Because senator, the governor buy senators car, Prado Jeep, the House of Rep, Prado Jeep, although those one call literally get them. Because he want buy for APC and PDP senators and House of Rep when they Abuja. When they ask them the question, say make they ease their movement. And these people have convoys when it be say the federal government they maintain waiting the government fair give them. Now Wike instead make use money to do better thing for people. He go use the money to buy Prado Jeep for the House of Rep members and the senators. I see that one not reach. Now he don't go buy another one. Every time I wake it they buy cars. When they give people, when they say they say they will fit tell and say you chop money. Now he don't go buy cars. Now give the judiciary. He back up, give judiciary, share car for all the judges when they be say they will fit talk and say how, why you do this one. Because if you talk at that time, he go sit there you say nah, the money now will take back car for you now, and me and you now got a chopper. So the guy they use system till they block the way when he be say if he come out for power, nobody will feel ask some question. Me now I from here they tell the River State people. This man, make una open eye well. They see how he take the manage your money because the money it don't go. We not dey see development. That is the reason why the youth come out to protest say our money they don't see the development and they tell now where the money they pass. So you know say me and they already come to tell now how na money take waka. If na money development disappear, anything swallow na money, I will still come tell now. For this one, they see so and they for here they tell now say Wike don't they use no money buy car, till they settle in future and tomorrow in case he come out for office. My people, as we see this matter, now be that one. Now we say no, we come tell now. So let me go to the other news. Solution don't come, oh, solution, solution don't come, oh, solution. My people. When we say solution don't come, we dey talk about Aqua Peace. Aqua Peace is the place when it be say every challenge is when it be say you get. If you go to that place, the solution don't come. In fact, if it be say you dey pound, you know they pour water. You know what I mean when it be say if they pound, not they pour water. Those people when it be say that they pound, but water not they. When it be say that they make the pound make it smooth well. You know that company when it be say in 9 months you come bring out another thing. If it be say one of the person when it be say you they pound no water to make the pound smooth when you go bring another picking come out. Now the place when you go when you get solution. Now it be Aqua Peace. Be my brother, my sister. In case he finish the water, you know, all those he finish when you be say you go dey scratch your local government chairman, go dey scratch and water go dey come out, go be like say get crocodile. Now aqua peace that be the place when you will get the solution. In case you be say my people, you get rheumatism, stroke. There is any kind of disease when it be say you get, when it be say not they let you do normal thing, when it be say you supposed to, say your local government chairman, if they swear come big, when it be say man, you dey find somebody when go help you hold on, make you take waka. The solution don't come. Now Aquapin be the center of the solution. My people, if it be say your womb not be carry picking, when it be say anything, when it be say the mouth drop, it dey come up, the mouth drop, it dey come up. My brother, you have to visit Aquapin. If it be say the thing when it be say they worry you, if it say they tell you say you get the thing for inside your system. Oh, my people, you have to visit the center because that center might be the center of solution. My brother, my sister, it gets so many things when it be say this. My brother, doctor himself go do for you when you visit him. In case you don't know how to see him, you go to our description section. You will see his contact. In case you still have challenges, you can contact AU David. Contact AU David because I know who that will make you day okay. I know who that will make you day okay. My people, in case you want to learn how to help a person come become person. In fact, this center see they train people. In case you want make you learn, you still come, the man go train you. My people, any solution when you they seek for, now the center of solution, now it be this one. You they see the name there, you they see the everything when they do, now natural herbs. You understand me now? Now natural. Don't be say sugar when they your body, it go flush them out. My people, as so we see now our brother be that one when they do that one, and in day Europe here, anywhere in the world, he can send it to you. Just contact him and everything will be okay. God bless you as we go to the next news. My people, now so we see this the news is now where we will stop at, now be this one. We go meet again. And in case you never subscribe, now the time to subscribe to this one. And don't forget to on the notification bell so that you will see her. And follow us in all our social media handle AU David on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, even in Instagram. Just type on your Twitter, on your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp at all, just type AU David. You go see her. You go still see her say with your WhatsApp. God bless you. Till then, remain blessed.